Hey there, data explorers. Have you noticed how much our world runs on information? It's true, everything we do creates data. From online shopping to tracking our fitness goals, it's all about data. That's why data analysts are so important. They help make sense of it all. Data analysts are like detectives. They use special tools to uncover clues. These clues help businesses make smart choices. Want to know what products people love? Ask a data analyst. Curious about the latest trends? Data analysts have the answers. This exciting field is only getting bigger. More and more companies need skilled data detectives. That means there's never been a better time to join the data revolution. Are you ready to unlock the power of data? Let's get started. Every superhero needs a secret origin story. Your data analyst journey starts with a strong foundation. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, let's learn the basics. Data analysts gather information and organize it. Think of it like sorting through a giant puzzle. They use tools like spreadsheets and special codes to make sense of the data. Next, we'll add some math skills. Don't worry, we're not talking about complicated equations. We'll learn about averages, percentages, and how to spot patterns. These skills help us understand what the data is telling us. Finally, let's practice using a spreadsheet program like Excel. It's like a digital detective kit. We'll learn how to organize data, create charts, and find important clues. With these fundamental skills, you'll be ready for the next level. Ready to take your data skills to the next level? It's time to learn about data management and analysis. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine you have a giant library of information. Data management is like organizing all those books. We'll learn how to store data safely and make sure it's accurate. Think of it like being a data librarian. Now let's talk about SQL. Don't let the name scare you. SQL is a special language that helps us talk to databases. It's like learning a secret code to unlock even more information. Once we have our data organized, we can start analyzing. We'll use powerful tools to create charts and graphs. These visuals help us see patterns and tell stories with data. Get ready to impress everyone with your data storytelling skills. Congratulations, data detectives. You've come a long way. Now it's time to become a true data expert. This is where your skills really shine. We'll explore advanced tools like Tableau and Power BI. These programs help create amazing interactive dashboards. Imagine building a control panel that shows real-time data insights. The possibilities are endless. Next, let's dive into the world of machine learning. This exciting field uses algorithms to make predictions about the future. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior or identify trends before they happen. That's the power of machine learning. Remember, the learning never stops. As technology evolves, new tools and techniques emerge. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning. The world of data is vast and constantly changing. Embrace the challenge and become a lifelong learner.